Enjoy this step-by-step guide on how to set up our weather station. First, download the app HDSMA RTIPC. Next, open phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to device's Wi-Fi. Now go back to app and press confirm. Click on video and you're all set. Watch your live video with no problems. Now, before setting the app up, connect device with wire provided and make sure it's on. Device has options to change the time. Go into night mode, get minimum or maximum weather, set an alarm, turn on night vision, and much more. A 32 gigabits SD card is included with this purchase. Make sure to insert it to save all your video. We hope this video finds you well and makes setting up this device easier. Enjoy your